Eating too much.
Emma, I think I ate too much. Emma, I think I ate too much.
I told you to stop earlier. I told you to stop earlier.
But the food was really good. But the food was really good.
You ate 3 full plates. You ate 3 full plates.
I was very hungry today. I was very hungry today.
You were hungry yesterday too. You were hungry yesterday too.
I could not control myself. I could not control myself.
Especially when you saw the fried chicken. Especially when you saw the fried chicken.
That chicken changed my life. That chicken changed my life.
Your stomach is suffering now. Your stomach is suffering now.
I feel so heavy right now. I feel so heavy right now.
You are walking like a tired penguin. You are walking like a tired penguin.
Please do not make me laugh. Please do not make me laugh.
Why not? Why not?
Because my stomach hurts when I laugh. Because my stomach hurts when I laugh.
That sounds like a serious problem. That sounds like a serious problem.
I should not eat dessert tonight. I should not eat dessert tonight.
Finally, one smart decision. Finally, one smart decision.
But the cake still looks delicious. But the cake still looks delicious.
Do not even look at the cake. Do not even look at the cake.
Maybe I can eat one small piece. Maybe I can eat one small piece.
That is what you said before the second plate. That is what you said before the second plate.
Okay, maybe 2 small pieces. Okay, maybe 2 small pieces.
Your math is very dangerous. Your math is very dangerous.
I think I need some tea now. I think I need some tea now.
Good idea. Tea may save your stomach. Good idea. Tea may save your stomach.
Next time I will eat less food. Next time I will eat less food.
You always say that after dinner. You always say that after dinner.
No, this time I really mean it. No, this time I really mean it.
Sure, I will believe you tomorrow morning. Sure, I will believe you tomorrow morning.
Why tomorrow morning? Why tomorrow morning?
Because you always get hungry again. Because you always get hungry again.
Honestly, I'm already thinking about breakfast. Honestly, I'm already thinking about breakfast.
Your stomach has no fear. Your stomach has no fear.
Food is just too hard to resist. Food is just too hard to resist.
Especially for you. Especially for you.
I try to wake up early.
Emma, I tried to wake up early today. Emma, I tried to wake up early today.
Really? What happened then? Really? What happened then?
My alarm rang at 6 a.m. My alarm rang at 6 a.m.
That sounds like a good start. That sounds like a good start.
I turned it off and closed my eyes again. I turned it off and closed my eyes again.
That was your first mistake. That was your first mistake.
I only wanted 5 more minutes. I only wanted 5 more minutes.
5 minutes became 3 hours, right? 5 minutes became 3 hours, right?
Yes, somehow it happened again. Yes, somehow it happened again.
I am not surprised at all. I am not surprised at all.
I really wanted to exercise this morning. I really wanted to exercise this morning.
Your bed had other plans for you. Your bed had other plans for you.
My bed is too comfortable. My bed is too comfortable.
You say that every weekend. You say that every weekend.
I even prepared my running shoes last night. I even prepared my running shoes last night.
And they are still waiting near the door. And they are still waiting near the door.
Please do not remind me. Please do not remind me.
I thought you wanted a healthy lifestyle now. I thought you wanted a healthy lifestyle now.
I do, but sleeping feels healthier sometimes. I do, but sleeping feels healthier sometimes.
That is not how fitness works. That is not how fitness works.
Maybe I should use 2 alarms tomorrow. Maybe I should use 2 alarms tomorrow.
You already use 3 alarms. You already use 3 alarms.
Then maybe I need 5 alarms. Then maybe I need 5 alarms.
Or maybe you need stronger motivation. Or maybe you need stronger motivation.
I was motivated last night. I was motivated last night.
Night motivation disappears in the morning. Night motivation disappears in the morning.
That is very true. That is very true.
So what time did you finally wake up? So what time did you finally wake up?
Around 9:30 this morning. Around 9:30 this morning.
That is not early at all. That is not early at all.
At least I woke up before lunch. At least I woke up before lunch.
Congratulations, very impressive achievement. Congratulations, very impressive achievement.
Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support.
You're welcome, sleepy champion. You're welcome, sleepy champion.
Tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow will be different.
That is what you said yesterday, too. That is what you said yesterday, too.
Emma, I decided to start dieting today. Emma, I decided to start dieting today.
Really? That sounds surprising. Really? That sounds surprising.
Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that?
Because you said the same thing last week. Because you said the same thing last week.
This time I am serious. This time I am serious.
Okay, what is your plan? Okay, what is your plan?
I will only eat healthy food today. I will only eat healthy food today.
That is a good start. That is a good start.
I already made a salad this morning. I already made a salad this morning.
I am impressed. I am impressed.
But the salad tasted very boring. But the salad tasted very boring.
Healthy food is not always exciting. Healthy food is not always exciting.
I kept thinking about fried chicken all morning. I kept thinking about fried chicken all morning.
Your diet is already in danger. Your diet is already in danger.
I even smelled pizza in my dreams. I even smelled pizza in my dreams.
That is honestly a little sad. That is honestly a little sad.
I am trying my best here. I am trying my best here.
Fine, I will support you today. Fine, I will support you today.
Thank you. Please hide the snacks. Thank you. Please hide the snacks.
I already put them in the cabinet. I already put them in the cabinet.
Why did you say that out loud? Why did you say that out loud?
Oops, that was my mistake. Oops, that was my mistake.
Now I cannot stop thinking about cookies. Now I cannot stop thinking about cookies.
Stay strong, you can do this. Stay strong, you can do this.
Dieting is harder than I expected. Dieting is harder than I expected.
It has only been 4 hours. It has only been 4 hours.
It feels like 4 years. It feels like 4 years.
Do you want some fruit instead? Do you want some fruit instead?
I want a burger instead. I want a burger instead.
Your diet is crying right now. Your diet is crying right now.
Maybe one small burger is okay? Maybe one small burger is okay?
That is how the problem starts. That is how the problem starts.
Fine, I will drink water and stay calm. Fine, I will drink water and stay calm.
Good choice. I'm proud of you. Good choice. I'm proud of you.
Wait, why are you eating chips? Wait, why are you eating chips?
Because I'm not dieting today. Because I'm not dieting today.
Emma, can you hear that noise again? Emma, can you hear that noise again?
Yes, the neighbors are very loud tonight. Yes, the neighbors are very loud tonight.
They have been shouting for 2 hours. They have been shouting for 2 hours.
I think they are having a party. I think they are having a party.
It sounds more like a football stadium. It sounds more like a football stadium.
I cannot even hear the TV. I cannot even hear the TV.
I was trying to read my book. I was trying to read my book.
And I was trying to sleep. And I was trying to sleep.
Why are they moving furniture at night? Why are they moving furniture at night?
Maybe they are building a new house upstairs. Maybe they are building a new house upstairs.
That should be illegal. That should be illegal.
Last night they were singing loudly too. Last night they were singing loudly too.
Yes, and the singing was terrible. Yes, and the singing was terrible.
I still remember that one sad song. I still remember that one sad song.
My ears remember it too. My ears remember it too.
Should we go and talk to them? Should we go and talk to them?
I do not want any problems. I do not want any problems.
We can speak politely. We can speak politely.
What if they get angry? What if they get angry?
Then we will come back home quickly. Then we will come back home quickly.
Very helpful plan. Very helpful plan.
Thank you. I worked hard on it. Thank you. I worked hard on it.
Listen, now they're laughing loudly. Listen, now they're laughing loudly.
Somebody upstairs sounds like a dolphin. Somebody upstairs sounds like a dolphin.
I think they dropped something heavy. I think they dropped something heavy.
My chair moved from the vibration. My chair moved from the vibration.
This apartment is becoming dangerous. This apartment is becoming dangerous.
Maybe we should wear helmets at home. Maybe we should wear helmets at home.
I just want one quiet night. I just want one quiet night.
Me too. I have work tomorrow morning. Me too. I have work tomorrow morning.
Okay, I will go upstairs now. Okay, I will go upstairs now.
Wait, take a calm face with you. Wait, take a calm face with you.
I always look calm. I always look calm.
Not when you are angry. Not when you are angry.
Fine, I will smile politely. Fine, I will smile politely.
Good. Try not to scare them. Good. Try not to scare them.
I am going now. I am going now.
Good luck, brave neighbor. Good luck, brave neighbor.
Wait, the noise stopped suddenly. Wait, the noise stopped suddenly.
Really? That is strange. Really? That is strange.
Maybe they finally went to sleep. Maybe they finally went to sleep.
Or maybe they heard us talking about them. Or maybe they heard us talking about them.
Please do not say that. Please do not say that.
Relax, at least it is quiet now. Relax, at least it is quiet now.
Finally, my ears can rest. Finally, my ears can rest.
And I can sleep peacefully tonight. And I can sleep peacefully tonight.